Forget bingo nights and rocking chairs. Imagine soaring into your 90s with the energy of a teenager, the wisdom of a sage, and the zest for life of a child rediscovering the world. Welcome to the Blue Zones, hidden pockets where people routinely shatter the 100-year barrier. This isn't your grandma's aging seminar. We're cracking the longevity code, dissecting the lifestyle secrets of the world's healthiest centenarians. These aren't just places on a map, they're laboratories of extraordinary lives. Sardinia's sprightly elders, Okinawa's dancing octogenarians, they hold the keys to aging gracefully. But what sets them apart? Is it some magical elixir? Nope, it's a delicious daily cocktail of simple habits, vibrant communities, and movement that ignites your spirit, not just your muscles. We'll dive deep into the power of plants. Forget calorie counting. Embrace plates bursting with colors and flavors inspired by Blue Zone kitchens. Your taste buds will thank you, and your waistline will too. Move with purpose. Ditch the treadmill and lace up for adventures that make your heart sing. From daily walks with friends to sun-drenched gardens, we'll show you how movement becomes joy, not a chore. Find your tribe. Loneliness is a killer, but in the Blue Zones, family and community are the bedrock of life. We'll explore how strong social connections fuel happiness and health at every age. This isn't just a lecture, it's a transformation. We'll provide actionable tips, no fluff, just practical ways to weave Blue Zone secrets into your everyday life. Delicious recipes. Forget bland salads. We'll tantalize your taste buds with Blue Zone-inspired dishes that nourish your body and soul. Daily challenges. Push yourself beyond your comfort zone and discover the hidden potential within you. A supportive community. You're not alone on this journey. Connect with like-minded individuals who are rewriting the definition of aging. Ready to trade wrinkles for wisdom and aches for adventures. This isn't just about adding years to your life. It's about adding vibrancy to every decade. So buckle up, grab your walking shoes, and get ready to discover the secrets to a long, healthy, and profoundly fulfilling life in the Blue Zones.